Your gangster is not defined.
These niggas brought straps, my nigga. These niggas would not slip, man.
Man, for real, we had our babies. We got our babies. We up here.
These niggas, they don't understand that. These niggas got straps. Real talk. Real talk, man.
I get a knock. Hey, I get a knock.
About to gang Juvie, yo.
I get a knock on my nigga at night. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's go get Juvie, man. That nigga down there in front. That nigga down there. Man, leave that nigga alone, man. He like, let's go get them jewels. Let's go get that cash, man. Fuck that nigga. All that ice.
When we went to the bar, niggas trying to lead A-Tab on us.
Yeah, right.
I swear to God, man, we went to the first bar we went to, me and Fatboy at the bar, man, Juvie them, and a couple of them other UTC niggas, they, you know, right by the bar, them niggas ordered their drinks and walked away. I'm looking like, I'm wondering if the whole ass nigga about to pay for our shit. Man,
right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you the one with
it was about $250. My dog told me like, man, whole ass nigga left $1 million. I said, fuck, we just carried shit out.
Right.
And kept the movie because it paid off when we went to the other shit.
Right.
He got us in for free and all that, but nigga, I'm not your groupie. Fuck Juvie.
Man,
after I see how they tried to play us, them niggas wanted security.
Yeah, that's what they wanted. Because that nigga in the hotel room at 1:30 in the morning, he wouldn't go to the club until we got there. We got there, he like, let's go to the club.
Yeah, now you ready. Now you ready.
I even ride with y'all.
Yeah.
That's what he said?
We got a Renault and we got the Mirage. I even ride with y'all. I'm not even gonna ride with them. Man, I ride with y'all. Man, fuck, don't give me the Mirage.
He rode in that long ass van. That long ass van, that long ass clear van.
We had fun though.
Juvie was cool though.
Word Juvie cool.
Juvie was cool, but
Juvie cool.
I don't like how they tried to play some real gangsters.
Yeah, on the bar, yeah, like I'm a G, nigga.
We called, it's like, come down here, we got Juvie down here, we about to ball. But you know, we came with our own money. We weren't coming to need no nigga for nothing, but they tried to play us like security though. You know what I'm saying? And then when it was all that time for him to go on the stage and shit, niggas was like, we was like, how many was up? We was like, it's about 19, 20 of us. And then when we went in there, the nigga wanted us to leave after the show was over. Bitch ass man.
People that know on TV, Fat Joe whole ass Terror Squad chain wouldn't even get off the van. We trying to holler at Fat Joe. He in the parking lot. He in that parking lot back there.
In the walkway when we was walking.
Yeah, he back there.
Yeah, you're right.
He in the camper truck.
Hi.
He won't even talk to us, dog. He won't even say hi to us, dog.
I don't like no niggas.
Yeah.
Joe was alright.
Fat Joe said, them some goons. I ain't going out there.
Man, we speaking to you. We standing over here where the crowd can't come. Because the police got everything blocked off. But we over here.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? The crowd can't come over here. But we are over here. You know what I'm saying?
He said, y'all over there.
Over here. You know what I'm saying? Doing it real big. But the rest of the crowd can't come over there. And these niggas, dog. T.I. though, that's my dude.
That's how Juvie.
Well, Tip was there too?
Tip, that's my dude. Man, Tip standing next to each other. Shooting the shit.
He wasn't scared of
Shooting
nothing.
the shit, dog. He don't got none of the security around. Shooting the shit. Mike was cool, Mike Jones.
Mike Jones cool, but out of T.I. crew, Big Country came. On the morning when we came back and they had gave our pizza to them because we had paid for a pizza and left. No, that was on Juvie them tour bus. We paid for a pizza and left when we was in front of the Blues Club.
Right.
And then later on that night, when we made it back to the room like 3, 4 in the morning, like, yo, pizza still on that motherfucker. We went over there and got the 2 boxes off the motherfucking bus. But we was fucking with Big Country Kane and them niggas was out there later.
Eating that cold ass pizza.
You know how them rich niggas, them niggas don't remember shit.
Nah, they don't remember shit.
But we was in the shot.
Tearing it down.
I bet you they remember that motherfucking candy gold and green Murata.
Yeah, sitting high on that.
Man, want that color, go to D-Tech out to Philly, tell his black fish. On Sam, them my niggas. D-Tech on Greenfield, man.
So get that mean color.
Yeah, real true.
Man, that shit was thirsty.
Charge about 8,500, 9,000. They gonna give you that Mako shit. Yeah, we my dude.
Hey man, we need to go get the range. The range, the better something so we can be classy tonight.
Your gangster is not defined.
You remember that
green motherfucker.
That green motherfucker.
That motherfucker. All you gotta do is stand by that motherfucker. You get a lot of